morning everybody. Today I am going to show you one more project on Scratch. The project name is Balloon Pop Game. So I'll show you how to do. First you go in the corner, left down corner, and then you click on the icon and go on video sensing and allow your camera. Keep you can pick delete the cat and pick the sprite a balloon here. And now when go on event, when you click green flag, and then you have to go on looks and then click show. After that, go on video sensing, and in video sensing you put when video motion 10 and then put sound balloon pop. If you put it now, you can put lightly, but when you put 95, you can't do lightly. You have to do fast. Then only it will happen. So then I'll keep it 10. And then you go on looks, hide, and then go again on control, wait 1 second and go to random position, and then you pick looks again and show. See, when you run it, when you pop it, it waits 1 second and then pops again.
See, the game is when you motion, the code is when you motion touch it, it makes the sound, and when it makes the sound, it hides, and then after that it shows, so it goes to random position after that. So it's hide and it shows again after that. Basically, the game is a game.
And fine.
Thank you.